Today, Joe and I are going to show you how to easily fill up your soap dispenser on your kitchen sink. Joe and I actually go to clients' houses sometimes, and I just love my soap dispenser. I use mine all the time, but I hear a lot of clients say, I don't want to crawl under my kitchen cabinet and disconnect this bottle, put my soap in it, crawl back under the cabinet, and screw the bottle back in. Well, they're not designed to be filled this way. Actually, all you have to do is just pull the top of it out like this, lay it in your sink, open your dish soap, and just start pouring it in there. Until obviously you see it getting full in here. Then you just put your pump back in the top, and it's really just that simple. Hopefully this video helped you change your mind about soap dispensers. If you found it helpful, please be sure to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe so you don't miss a future video. And thank you so much for watching.